In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Soundbar to Vizio TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the three main methods to connect a Samsung Soundbar to a Vizio TV. These three methods are going to include HDMI, ARC/eARC, optical audio, and then Bluetooth. So I'm going to start with HDMI. This is going to be the preferred method. It offers the best audio quality and allows for advanced features like automatic audio format switching. So to start with HDMI, grab an HDMI to HDMI cable. Using one end of the cable, plug it into the HDMI port on the TV and plug the other end into the HDMI in port of your soundbar. Immediately upon doing this, they will be connected, and all that you have to do to make sure that they are properly connected is to go over to your TV's audio settings and choose the correct input source. Usually it is going to be labeled as HDMI or ARC. Now, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the TV through the soundbar instead. If you want to use an optical cable, it is basically going to be an alternative to HDMI. The audio quality might be slightly lower, but it is still going to be very good. So once again, plug one end of the optical cable into the TV and another one into the optical in port of the soundbar. And with this done, once more, you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the TV through the soundbar instead. And finally, for Bluetooth, this is going to be a convenient wireless option. However, it isn't going to offer the best audio quality, and you might notice some latency. To do this, usually you will have to press a dedicated Bluetooth button on the soundbar itself or the soundbar's remote, and as long as it is in pairing mode, you can check the manual. If you are unsure how to set it into pairing mode, you will be able to find it as a Bluetooth device when you go over to your Vizio TV settings and you access external speakers or Bluetooth settings. And with this done, they will be connected once you choose it from the list and once again listen to all of the audio being output. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Soundbar to Vizio TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.